Hello and welcome to the first tutorial of this series. Today we will learn together how to make a menu in HTML and CSS. So let's start. Firstly, we will use the HTML nav element, which represents a section of a page whose purpose is to provide navigation links. The HTML UL element represents an unordered list of items, typically rendered as a bulleted list. The HTML li element is used to represent an item in a list. It must be contained in a parent element, and in our case, the UL element. We will make a menu with three elements: Home, About Us, and Contact. This is how the page looks. In style.css, we will write in the unordered list element list style type none, which means that the black dots will disappear. You can see some space here. So this is because in the CSS file we didn't set the margin and padding, so let's do this. We'll set the margin and padding to 0, and you don't have to write pixels or percent at the end of them because the browser knows what 0 means. In the li element, we will write display inline block. Float left to make the menu look like an actual menu with the elements one after another. Also, we will set the width of the nav element to 100% and the width of the li element to 33.33% because we have three elements in the menu. And if we divide the 100% by 3, we got 33.33%. If we want to align the text to the center, all we have to do is to write text align center to the li element. For the anchor A element, which allows us to link to another document, if we don't want the text to be underlined, all we have to do is to write text decoration none to the A element. We will set the color of the text black and let's choose the color for the background. You can see that the user to go to the anchored links, he has to go to the text, but if we write display block to the anchor A, the user can click anywhere he wants. If we want the menu to be bigger, all we have to do is to set the line height, let's say 50 pixels. We also can set an outline for our menu to distinguish the pages. If we write border instead of outline, we will see that the menu no longer fits on the page. Let's make something more. A hover for the menu. All I will do is to change the color and the background of the A element one with another. And the menu is ready to use in your page. To understand better, let's say we want a menu with 4 elements. We will change the width of the li element to 25% because we have 4 li elements, not 3 as before. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and we will see each other to the next tutorial. Bye!